Have you ever wondered how Tesla builds the electric cars that are changing the future of transportation? From groundbreaking technology to a seamless production process, Tesla's factories are where innovation meets precision. It all begins at Tesla's Gigafactory, a massive facility spanning millions of square feet, producing not just cars but also the batteries that power them. These facilities operate 24/7, designed for maximum efficiency and sustainability, reflecting Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The journey begins with raw materials like aluminum, steel, and lithium arriving at the factory. These materials undergo strict quality checks to ensure they meet Tesla's exacting standards. For instance, lithium, a key component in batteries, is sourced responsibly to minimize environmental impact. After passing quality control, the materials are sent to different parts of the factory to begin the production process. The car's structure takes shape in the body shop, where advanced robotic arms work with extreme precision. These robots weld and assemble lightweight aluminum and ultra-high-strength steel frames, ensuring a perfect balance of strength and efficiency. Watching these machines in action is like seeing a symphony of technology. Every movement is synchronized to complete a frame in just minutes. This precision not only speeds up production but also guarantees consistency in every Tesla vehicle. Next, the body panels are created in the stamping press. This giant machine applies thousands of tons of pressure to flat sheets of aluminum, shaping them into sleek, aerodynamic panels that define Tesla's iconic look. Each panel is inspected to ensure it meets Tesla's design and safety standards before moving forward in the production line. The assembly line is where the magic truly happens. Here, Tesla's production process combines the best of human craftsmanship and robotic technology. Workers and robots install critical components including electric motors, suspension systems, and Tesla's signature 15-inch touchscreen displays. These screens serve as the brain of the car, controlling everything from navigation to autopilot features. Meanwhile, sensors, cameras, and radar systems are integrated seamlessly, preparing the vehicle for Tesla's advanced driver assistance systems. One of the most critical parts of the factory is the battery production area. Tesla's gigafactories produce lithium-ion battery packs on-site using cutting-edge techniques. Individual cells are assembled into modules, and these modules are then combined into a powerful battery pack. Each battery pack is rigorously tested to ensure optimal performance, safety, and longevity. Tesla's commitment to sustainability is evident here, as the company continually innovates to make batteries more efficient and environmentally friendly. Once the mechanical and electrical components are installed, the cars head to the paint shop. This stage is as much an art as it is a science. Robotic arms apply multiple layers of paint with laser-like precision, ensuring a flawless finish. Tesla's paint options, including deep blue metallic and red multicoat, are designed to not only look stunning but also withstand the elements. The paint is baked and cured to perfection, giving each car its vibrant, durable color. After painting, the vehicles move to final assembly. This is where everything comes together. Seats are installed, windows are fitted, tires are mounted, and the software is uploaded. The software installation is a crucial step, as Tesla vehicles rely heavily on advanced software for everything from controlling the climate to enabling full self-driving capabilities. At this stage, each car undergoes rigorous inspections to ensure every detail meets Tesla's high standards. Before a Tesla is delivered to its new owner, it undergoes a series of performance tests. Each vehicle is driven on a test track to evaluate its braking, acceleration, and handling. The autopilot system is also tested to ensure it functions flawlessly. These tests guarantee that every Tesla leaving the factory is ready to provide a smooth, safe, and enjoyable driving experience. Finally, the finished cars are prepared for delivery. Rows upon rows of Teslas are loaded onto transport trucks or prepared for shipment to Tesla showrooms and customers around the world. Some cars are even delivered directly to buyers, making the ownership experience seamless and convenient. From the factory floor to your driveway, the journey of a Tesla is a testament to innovation, precision, and sustainability. Every step in the process showcases Tesla's commitment to excellence, and its vision for the future of transportation. The next time you see a Tesla on the road, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's drive into the future together.